I did fall asleep when I cooked this.
Slightly.
Not burnt.
So obviously last year you gave me your mum's.
Yeah, and you
cake.
loved it.
I loved it. And you said to me that you didn't like it. Or you just
No,
chuck
it's
it
really,
in.
really bad. So before my mum died, I wanted to learn all her recipes and everything like that. So every weekend she would show me a recipe, and then obviously it was nearly Christmas. It's time for the Christmas cake. And I was watching her, just chucked it in.
Just chucks it in.
Yeah, banged it in, started off with the sugar and the butter. And I was just watching her, and I was like, what are you looking for, Mum? She said, it's the texture. I'm looking at the texture. And every single time she made the cake, it would be perfect.
Really?
And so I'm still striving. Mine are not perfect, but I'm still striving over the years to see if I can get it like how my mum gets it. But I haven't got it like my mum yet, because my cakes sink a little bit. Do you reckon you could do this without weighing?
No, I couldn't, because I've basically worked on this cake recipe for the last kind of like 20 years.
Yeah.
And I've like perfected it. And where I used to have to do I used to have to make like tens of thousands of these at one point.
Oh my
and when you're doing
it's
it
gotta be
for
perfect.
it's got to be the same every time.
Yeah. Mine's not.
And now.
So you know how you enjoyed it last year? You might absolutely think it's rank this year.
Right,
I can't be bothered to do mine. I'm just going to watch you.
All right, and then at the end though,
I've got my 3 cakes that I have done, which I did yesterday.
Yeah.
And if you want to try it,
I'm going to try it afterwards. So
Okay.
I'll show you how to do my one.
Right.
Butter. I've pre-weighed it all.
I'm noticing there's no mixer.
No, I don't use a mixer for this.
It's all about the hands.
No creaming or anything.
Yeah.
Just literally melting it and mixing it. So that goes in there.
So how much is that?
That's 200 grams of each in there.
Maybe I'm adding too much sugar in mine then.
So now all I need to do is melt that in a microwave.
Yeah.
So, or you can do it in a pan.
I'll do that for you.
Love it. And while that's melting, let's get all of our fruit mixed up. So these are sultanas.
Yeah.
Currants.
All of it.
Yeah, chuck it all in. So this will do 2 6 inches or 1/8
Cherries.
cherries. So those ones, I've washed all the syrup off and I've cut them in half.
Yeah, love it. I'm going to keep all the tubs, and then I'm going to try and
Yeah.
do it your way.
Oh, that's a good idea, 'cause we've
with
already on.
Yes.
Then I've got some
What's that?
mixed peel.
Oh, yeah.
Bosh it in there. Yeah,
More fruit.
raisins.
Get it in.
Raisins in there.
350 grams of raisins.
Yeah. This is glacé ginger. So smell that.
Is this the secret ingredient?
Well, I think it's a secret weapon.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Yeah, so that's going to go in
Oh,
there.
I love the way you start off with your fruit.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Lots of people soak their fruit as well.
Do you want a little bit of sherry in it?
In a minute. No,
Not yet.
I've got this.
Ooh, look at that.
I hope you like it. So
Yeah.
just mix
Do
it
you know
with
what?
your
I have
hands.
tried your cake and it's amazing.
Yeah, I
Tried
do.
it last
It's
year.
my favourite cake I make ever.
That's why I got you over here, really.
Thank you.
I just wanted more. I just wanted more. Oh, it's nicely melted.
Mix this until it kind of, I reckon maybe
In the
microwave
microwave?
another 30 seconds.
Okay.
Maybe even it might be a minute in the end.
Okay.
So we've got grounds.
Nutmeg.
Do you know what? My eyesight's so bad I can't actually read that.
Let's get some glasses.
Isn't that bad? I do.
Sorry, we're having a discussion here.
I know it's bad.
You
isn't
need to
it?
sort that
I
out.
do. Right,
Cloves. Ooh.
half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit. There you go, bosh. And
Bosh.
then pinch of cloves, because you know how cloves are very, very medicinal, very strong.
Is that enough?
A tiny bit more, one more dash. That's it. Yeah. Teaspoon of cinnamon.
Yeah.
Again, so I'll just eyeball that. I think you can put a bit.
Did you put the mixed spice one in? You didn't put that
Not
in?
put that in yet.
What, should I put it in here and go?
I just kind of eyeball it because I think you
that's
roughly
too much.
know. I think it's about that. And then we've got teaspoon of ground ginger.
Lush.
Yeah. And
Oh,
it's
I'm
quite
loving all
strong
this.
cake, this one. Bit of salt.
Oh, I don't put salt in my cake. I think
Yeah,
my mum used to do that.
You need to do that because that will balance the flavours.
Oh, I've forgotten.
Yeah. So that's that. That's all the spices going on your flour.
Oh, I love that.
So I put the flour in there.
Oh, so you put it to the dry?
Yeah.
Dry to the dry?
Yeah. Then
Should I mix it?
you can mix it if you want. I always use my
this?
hands,
What's
but
in
mix.
there?
That's the butter one. Mix it with that. Should I get the butter out?
Yeah. I've never seen a cake made like this.
Haven't you?
No, but I love it.
Even though you do the bake off and everything, you never seen anyone do it
Literally
like
never.
this?
I don't watch what they do, babe. I just eat their cakes at the end.
Do you? Do you know when Dermot did the bake off?
Yes, he did.
I went round his house and trained him.
Wow. I've got a bit of gossip for you.
Go on.
He says he can't find all the instruments that you left there. And he says,
He kept saying this.
Juliet keeps asking me for them. I can't find them. Do you reckon he's just robbed
Do
it?
you reckon? I reckon he might have done
Text
should,
Dermot.
'cause-
Just say, Dermot, just out of it. What's a yo-yo?
Icing scraper. I think there was a scriber tool and.
Go.
Shall I?
Hi, Dermot. Hi, Dermot. Hi, Dermot.
you're having a nice
Hope you're having
weekend.
a lovely weekend. Go on, go. Is there any way you can have a look for the scraper?
For my icing
scraper. And what else is there?
Icing ruler.
An icing ruler. As I've got a really big job coming up and I really need it.
No, he's going to hate me.
You can't ever tell him. Don't ever tell me. Lots of love, Juliet. He's going to think Michael McIntyre's done it. I might have to get a chair in it.
You've got 3 ovens as well.
I have, but I don't know how to use that one. I don't know how to use it.
Do you just use it for storage?
Yeah, just put stuff in it.
Oh, that's already...
So that's all done. So you just...
Well, it's kind of...
Your cake's so easy.
It's kind of all done.
Put it to the side.
It is easy, isn't it? Like, no worrying about mix.
It's actually not as stressful as my cake.
Now, so then we just need to put 4 eggs in here. I'm just making sure it's not too hot.
Right, do we need another bowl?
Let's beat them into another bowl, yeah.
I think the best thing to do when you're baking something as big as a Christmas cake, get new eggs.
Yeah.
Don't use any old eggs and stuff like that.
I hate that
See, I don't like that bit.
It doesn't bother me.
I used to call it the snot.
It is a bit like snot, isn't it? Now you said that, actually.
Look.
Ugh. Yeah, snot seasoning.
Look, stop.
Oh, sorry. Where is it? See, I can't see that because my eyesight.
No, it's there.
Is it? You can see that?
I can see it there, the snotty.
You know it will just bake in, it will disappear though. Is it upsetting you?
A little bit. Let's get rid.
Brilliant. 4 eggs, that's it.
Yeah.
So that's all ready.
Actually, I think I gave you 5.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. The only last 2 things that I haven't weighed out that's going in is going to be the booze. So,
you weigh that as well?
Yeah, I do, yeah. I mean, I do, only because...
I'm a bit of a
you're a clean freak. I need you around my house.
I like to have a nice area.
One.
Thank you, sweetheart.
First of all, just put all of this into there. So just
run it into the jar. It's so easy, man. This is
really
so
easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And all that butter's just melted. You don't need to crimp. So what I've done there, there's no air beating into this cake, so it's not going to sink.
Oh.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, you get it all.
This Christmas cake is kind of how it comes out in texture, is a cross between a Christmas cake and a Christmas pudding.
So clever.
It's a really nice texture. So doing 160 grams of this into there.
It's totally mixed up.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I haven't even broke
it's easy, isn't it?
Literally haven't broke a sweat.
Do you find when you're doing your mum's one's a bit much?
It takes me all day.
All that I've done 10
That's
grams.
When you said, oh, do you want to do your cows on? Not really.
So we've got 160 grams.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Do you want me to still mix more? Or
now we're going to put vodka in.
Oh my Lord, have mercy.
75 grams of vodka, bosh. But that's it. So
that is gorgeous.
All of that, I mean, that's a lot, isn't it? That only makes 1 8-inch cake, or you can make 2 6-inches. So
I'll do 2 6s. Yeah. Oh, do you even measure this? You're amazing.
Well,
you're like, if you was in school, you're the one who's the studious one, and I'm the one who's going, it'll be fine.
So let's start by putting 1.1k in there.
How long would this take to cook?
That will take like 2 to 2.5 hours.
At what gas mark?
So I'll put it on at 140 for the first hour, and then I'll turn it down to 125 for the remainder time. So
God, you don't mess
look, there's two. There you go, 1.2 in there, and then put the rest in there. That's it. I always roughly divide it equally, just because I think then they're going to be baking the same time.
Yeah.
So then I just level it like this.
Looks amazing.
That will come out just perfectly level.
Well done.
Yeah.
High five. Can't wait to taste it.
Now do a tasting of both cakes.
Let's taste the cakes.
Yeah.
Okay, disclaimer. I did fall asleep when I cooked this cake. It's a little bit over.
Slightly.
It's not burnt. Don't even go there with burnt.
What would Paul say?
Paul would say it's burnt. I like the texture of yours.
Thank you.
Oh, yours feels nice. Oh, nice.
No, yours looks all right.
Oh,
nice and soft.
Lovely.
Yours is nice.
Is it?
Not too
bad.
Oh,
not too
yours
bad.
looks nice.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So much fruit.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Oh my God. You know what I love about you? It's the intensity of all the fruit together.
Yeah.
And listen, you don't have to be nice about mine because I know it's a little bit burnt. Oh my God, it's very moist.
It's what it is. I think you've got a lot of sugar in it. Yeah.
I mean,
oh, it's nice. No.
It's a little bit too much sugar. That was amazing.
No, it's really good.
Happy Christmas, darling.
Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
I bet he speaks to the people this morning and says, never let me come on again, so he doesn't have to be embarrassed and not be able to give it back to me. He will. Come on. Oh, no, he hasn't replied.